Tyler is obsessed with Ryan.
Thank you 1,000,000 times.
Alright guys, night before bed, and we put all the gifts out. I don't know why they put the gifts underneath the table, but okay. But Santa come and didn't eat his and didn't eat his cookie and his milk. We have to drink it before we go to bed, before Tyler come out. Anyway guys, you guys, well, good morning my Sarah girl. Hi. I just love the big bright smile on your face when you wake up in the morning. Hi princess, you're amazing girl. Mwah. Good morning. It's time for your bottle. 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 Yay!
It's time for my doodle.
Hi babes, good morning, good morning, good morning. Good afternoon and good night. I can see that the camera don't even position right now, but I cannot get up to fix it. You guys know what's good. Today is an exciting day. Today's an exciting day. We're leaving on vacation today, and we are opening our gifts this morning before we leave. I'm extremely happy because I know the happiness that's going to be on the kids' face, and that's what makes me the happiest. Not even gift for myself, but just to see the happiness on especially Tyler's face. So we're up. It's almost 8 in the morning. We're getting cracking because we need to respect our time that we have planned to leave here, so that we can be well on our way on the road and avoid the crowd and everybody that will be heading out on to see their family and stuff today. So I'm feeding Sarah. Tyler is having a little breakfast because Tyler have to eat in advance and can't drink anything because of his motion sickness. So yeah, with all that said, hopefully you guys are doing well, and I know you guys are looking forward to see the excitement just as how I am looking forward, and baby's also looking forward to see the excitement on Tyler's face. Sarah doesn't quite get it yet, but we are looking forward to see the excitement of her just ripping up papers. So without further ado, you guys going to see the rest of the family, and let's see if Santa came for Tyler last night.
Mama, don't look. I will.
Oh, well, you look what? When you finish eat, you come talk to the faves, okay?
It's Santa came.
So I'm feeding Sarah. I already got Tyler dressed, so I'm feeding Sarah, getting her dressed, and then we can go unwrap the gifts. I'm not gonna get Sarah dressed yet. I'm gonna get Sarah dressed last. But I already got. Come, Ty, where you going? You finished eat? Come here.
You ready dressed, Tyler?
Mm-hmm.
Looking good.
Mm-hmm. Tyler is representing for Santa Claus this morning. Say good morning to the babes.
Wagwan.
Connie, come say good morning to the babes. Tyler have this top from Tyler was 3 years old. This Santa top.
They say that Tyler didn't grow since he's 3 years old because he don't eat.
He grew taller, but he didn't put on weight.
He grew his,
Come, Tyler, come sit around.
He grew his foot.
And his foot, because you have to change his shoes a lot. You still have the bread in your mouth? Say morning, honey.
Hi guys, good morning, good afternoon, and good
Sit
night
tight.
everybody. Woo, it's gonna be a special day. It's gonna be a special day.
I'm excited.
Yeah, my back hurts like.
Baby, I need to rub some Voltaren on your back before.
Oh, I need to get back the electrode that I have.
Does it help when you use it?
When I had used it, it had helped me.
So why you don't use
I need to go
it?
get it.
Babe, have this back thing every now
I have a
and then.
back pain since like 4
Am
or
I
5
going to
days.
check?
Yes, I'm exactly like Babe. I don't know if it's as a parent, I'm not excited for myself. I'm just excited for the kids.
Oh yeah, me too.
That's the only things.
Sarah, we're gonna do diaper change and then we're gonna check if Santa came, okay? Okay?
Okay.
Yeah. Stay where you are.
So the gifts are here. We're ready to sit down. Hey. Alright, honey, you can go.
Okay.
What's going on here? Who came last night?
Santa Claus!
Santa came. Sarah, look there. Look there, Sarah.
Plate.
Santa took everything
And leave the game.
and leave the gifts.
Hold on.
Come, Sarah, come, Sarah, come.
Hey, just some more, just some more, just some more.
Okay.
Sarah first.
Sylvia!
Hold on.
Me first.
Let
Come,
me check.
Sarah, come.
Me first.
This is for who?
Come, Sarah, come, Sarah.
This
Sarah,
is for
come.
Sarah.
Sarah, it's for you. Come, come, like this. No, come, Sarah, come. Wait, come, princess. Yeah, see, do it. Come, Sarah, come.
That's interesting.
God, she don't care.
Hold on.
Wait, Ty.
Wait.
Sarah, look. Sarah, look. Look here. Sarah, look here. Sarah,
Wow.
Sarah, what's this? Here.
Wow, look at the face. Hold on.
Sarah, come. Sarah, look.
Sarah, hold on. I'm gonna give you one.
Okay.
Sarah, look. This is for you. Look, baby. Oh.
It's so cute, Sweetie.
Ta-da! I think this one is for Tyler.
Yes.
Mommy have to stay here.
See? Yes. Exactly what I wanted.
Really?
What's that? What is it?
Dolphins are coming.
Alright, oh, more.
Alright, what is...
Sarah again.
This is for Sarah. From Auntie
Oh, Auntie Moo.
Annika.
Ooh.
Sarah. Let me see.
Tyler, give me the packet. I can put all of them
Sarah, this is for you. Ooh, Sarah, what is it? Wow.
here. That's puzzle.
Sarah got a puzzle set. That's so cute, Sarah. Look. Oh my God. I have a little bag to go in. Is Tyler from Tracy, Auntie Tracy.
What is it?
Who was the Darth Vader costume from? It was your mama and papa. Did you say thank you?
Thank you.
Pull, pull, pull. What is that? What is that?
Ryan.
Stop kicking it. You've been wanting Ryan, right?
Yeah.
So what do you say to Auntie Tracy?
Thank you.
Tyler is obsessed with Ryan.
Thank you 1,000,000 times.
Alright.
Sarah again.
Sarah, love our baby.
What is this?
What is that?
Oh, it's written Sarah.
Sarah! Sarah from Auntie C. Gray. Sarah, look. Sarah is our baby right now. Come, let's help Sarah unwrap.
Clothes again.
Sarah have clothes from Pat Pat. Sarah have outfits on top of outfits. On top of outfits. On top of outfits. Sarah, that interested in unwrapping. And shoes.
And for the hair,
And hair band.
take this
Look
one.
at outfits. Thank you, Auntie Sigrid. But right now, Sarah is in her beer.
Okay, I'm going to
Come
open
here. What is that?
Papa Sugar.
Paw Patrol car.
Mama.
Yes, Ty.
In all of my gifts is this thing that I wanted.
Yeah. What do you say?
Thank you, Mama and Papa.
You're welcome.
Hold on.
No, not that one.
Sarah, love our baby.
No, I had found one. This one. No, it's
Baby,
this
baby.
yes.
This is Sarah's
This
favorite gift,
one
I'm
is
sure.
Sarah from Grandma.
Grandma Valerie, this from my mama. And you guys won't see gifts from the French family because that's where we're heading. So everybody gifts you'll see when we get there. Oh, Sarah! Sarah, look. Ooh.
Take this one.
Again from Mama and Papa. Mama,
This one is from my mom.
Mama, what is so much gift from
Who is from this one?
you?
From Mama and Papa? What is that?
Star Wars figurine.
You like it?
Yes.
Yes. Look at him having this.
What is that?
Yeah, the Star Wars
Alright, that's for Tyler.
figurine.
Oh,
Tyler again. Who is it from?
it's from
We have to know who they're from. Kyle, Mama, and Papa. Sarah, kill our baby. Sarah.
Ah, what is that?
What is that?
A beer.
What kind of beer is that? What kind of beer is this? Do you know what kind of beer is this? Alright, so. Sarah is the cutest with our beer.
Yes, it's cute.
So happy. Alright, Ty, press the hand and listen. Press the next hand.
It's making baby one.
Press his foot.
What?
You like him?
Yes.
So it's a patois speaking doll. Again. Fine one, give Sarah. Sarah ready to open. Give Sarah one.
She want this? Sarah, this one?
Come, Sarah, come. This one is from who?
Oh.
Did you see who it's from?
From Auntie Annika.
From Auntie Anita. Sarah, you want to open this
So
one?
you can open
Tyler can
yours.
open his at the same time. Okay, you have to read this one carefully. These are from Auntie Tracy, the same person who gave you the Ryan toy. Ooh, wait, one at a time. Let Sarah go first. This says Merry Christmas, Sarah. And it says Sarah, joyeux anniversaire. Merry Christmas. Wait, Ty, wait. Have a wonderful Christmas and a safe, happy, and blessed New Year. Princess Sarah, Merry Christmas. Merry Christmas. You are so cute and adorable. We enjoy watching you grow. Tracy, Ati, and inside that, Sarah have... How much money is this?
$100.
$100.
And me.
What year?
Merry Christmas, Captain Tyler. And what's here? Tyler, you are such a sweet kid and intelligent young man. I wish you a very Merry Christmas and happy, healthy, and happy New Year.
Okay, something fell beside you.
What?
What's that?
$100.
What do you say?
Thank you, Auntie Tracy. There's something here that I don't.
You didn't read it?
I didn't read.
So, read it.
Wagwan, Mayut, Tyla, enjoy the Holy Cup
Holiday.
holidays. Safe much love, Tracy.
Sarah, you have one. Who is this from? Did you check?
Oh, I forgot. There's no name.
It's not written, but it's from. Oh, yes, Auntie Anika.
And Chenika again.
What is that?
Lego Dragon.
Okay. So you say?
Thank you 100 times.
Alright, this one is for Sarah. And this one is coming from Zuri Dolls. Sarah, look. Kyla, hold on.
Oh, it's a cool. That cool is just like a cool.
It's a princess one.
It's a princess truce, this truce.
So she can put all of her treasure inside it. Wow.
Goody, goody.
Wow.
This is a Zuri, what they call these styly bag for kids.
Tyler again.
Tyler again. Oh.
Another ninja costume.
Oh, you know it's a ninja costume and it don't even open properly.
See, I told you. It's a ninja costume.
You excited?
Who is it from?
It's Grandma.
Grandma Valerie. You say?
Thank you, everybody, for all this gift.
Thank you, Grandma.
Thank you, Grandma.
Hold on.
Next.
What is that?
Tyler, it's Tyler.
And Sarah.
Tyler
So it's
and
something that
Sarah.
you don't want to share with your sister.
Open it. Open. Rip it. Look. What is it? This is from Auntie Anika. Okay, it's the handwriting will disappear and it will evaporate with water.
So you can
So it's
play
for
with your
you
sister.
and Sarah, okay?
Alright,
So it's
then
like
this
a
is for
handwriting
you.
disappearing.
Who is
And
it?
Tyler.
Tyler again. Sarah, they didn't get you ready.
Auntie Tracy.
Auntie Tracy.
A fire truck.
A fire truck.
Heavy.
ambulance.
Wow.
Alright, thank you.
So you're gonna rescue Papa? What is Tyler
From
again?
Grandma Valerie. Tyler again. Everything on the tree, what I? Hey, Tyler?
And Sarah. So look, there's for Sarah. What are these?
Wow.
Turn it around and read what it says.
It's a book.
It's a
Yeah.
book.
What it says. Read it.
It's from Grandma Valerie.
Uh-huh.
Because she told me that the gift was a book.
Okay. What it says.
What
Read
it
what it
says.
says.
100
By
by
Bible. Remember, it's English.
Bible.
100 Bible stories for children.
Wow.
So it's like prayers. So we read them each night, okay? So you understand the Bible. Sarah, tear up Papa gift because we're not giving her nothing to tear up. Okay, put this far from your sister. Put it up high up there. See, she gone with Johnny.
Sarah.
Sarah, look. It's for you. This paper is not easy to read. She wants to prepare it.
Yes, it's easy.
Sarah, look, this is for you. Sarah! You know what this is?
Yes, key, remote.
You'll be happy for this, Sarah. Sarah have her own telephone and her own remote. And who calling you, girl? Wait, I'm trying to pull Sarah's telephone. Sarah, who calling you so early in the morning? What is that? Tyler, your sister, be careful. So Sarah get her own telephone. Hello, Mama. Hello, Sarah. You're welcome.
That was to tell you thank you
Aw.
for the time.
You're welcome, baby. We know that's what you wanted. You happy?
Yeah.
You get your back done.
This Sarah.
Sarah got telephone and she got
Mama,
key.
Sarah.
Hold on. Sarah got her own card. Watch out. You saw that, honey? I pressed this.
Hello.
Miss Sarah. Listen. Ow. Mama.
Hello.
This look.
And Sarah
Why
obsessed
Sarah is not opening it?
No, it's written Tyler.
from Auntie Shan.
From Auntie Shan.
From Auntie Shan. Auntie Shanique.
Oh.
Okay?
Wow.
Sarah now have her own car key, her own TV remote, and her own
You don't see
telephone.
Papa saying wow.
Papa is saying, wow. Wow. What is that?
That's a car truck.
That's a truck with cars inside it.
Wow. You're gonna have a lot of cars now.
Have
You'll
a
be
lot
able
of
to do a
cars.
lot of race.
Yeah.
Alright, Sarah, so now you have your own TV remote. You can change the channel. Turn off your TV.
But she needs to.
These are the things that Sarah, yes, she will share with you and you'll share with her. Give these to Papa, please. These are the things that Sarah obsessed with. Key, remote, and phone. You see she hold on to her phone? Hello, Mama. Hello.
Hold on, Tyler,
Hello,
bring it here.
Sarah. Mama speaking.
Okay, time.
Hold on, let Sarah unwrap this first. This is from Sarah from Auntie Shanique. Sarah, look. Sarah, look. Sarah.
What is it,
Look.
Mama?
Sarah, look at this one.
It's a game.
Sarah, look.
It's a game, Mama.
She said, no. Look. She not see it yet. What is that?
What is that?
Wow. Sarah, look.
It's the thing that you had touched, that you wanted.
Exactly, and somebody sent it. Sarah, look. This is for Tyler from one of Papa clients. What is it?
Kapla.
What is Kapla?
Kapla is cookies.
Oh, wow. So
We
you-
can build with it.
Wow.
I have it in my red class and I have it
Show
in my
face.
blue class and yellow class.
It's a building game that he always wanted. So he can build anything he wants with it. Awesome. Put it in the corner. And this is for Sarah from the same client. Can I help her?
Yeah.
Sarah, over. I turn it on, but.
Fruit.
Okay.
Wow!
What is it? Okay, something that makes sounds and sings.
So now I
It's
give
a toy for Sarah. We'll open it later.
and now I give your gift.
Okay, first give
No, I
from
give you.
Papa. Wait, not that one.
No, I choose it.
No.
No,
Mama
not
said
who's
no, that
what? Who's that one?
is for Mama. But
That's one for
choose
Mama.
another one for Papa. This one.
Okay, since Mama opening this one from Papa, Papa can open that one from Mama.
That looks similar.
Yes, since it's box. Since we're doing box, let's do box. Who go first?
Papa.
Papa go first,
No,
okay?
I mean Mama because she's my kid.
She can go in same time than me.
No, you go first.
Papa, help.
We get what have Sarah's attention. Sarah loves what is it?
Choose.
What is it? What is it?
Shoes. Mama,
You
now
like it?
It's very pretty.
open yours, Mama.
Let- Ah!
Mama, stop that screaming or I'll
Oh my God!
You like it?
Oh my God! Oh my God! If you guys know me, then you guys don't tell how baby is perfect. Thank you. Ah!
This one. Who is it for?
Oh my! What size is it, babe?
It's written on it.
What size is it?
Hopefully it's good size.
Oh my God!
You know you have to keep the with
The
shoes.
receipt? I can't see the size.
39.
Okay, it's perfect. Look how pretty it is. Ah! You guys, babe, got me a workout
Don't do that.
outfit. It's perfect. Oh my God, honey, I hope this is a small.
This is written small. This
Thank
was the
you.
smallest size.
Oh my God, and you. Oh, it's perfect. Oh my God.
So I just hope it will
Thank
be
you.
fine.
Oh,
Just,
thank you.
Why
honey.
this one?
Okay.
Don't say who is for.
This one is for Papa, but
Mama
of
gonna
course
use
Mama
it.
gonna use it too. Okay.
I'm going to open it.
I think they have an idea what it is.
Close your eyes. Close your eyes. You can't
Is
see.
it mine or is it yours?
It's both of you. But
And Tyler gonna use it too?
surprise.
No, Tyler is going to use it too.
Don't
It's
you
the
know?
big one. It's the big one.
You know what I need, Tyler? I need you to go get me a scissor. No? Ooh, I see what is it. I see what is it.
You guys can't see what it is from there. So let me show you.
We buy it.
Stop.
It was this thing that Mama buy when we was over there.
Let me show you guys
For
close
Papa
up
to do
what
that.
it is. So, pull on the paper so babes can see this. So, it's a workout machine.
Merry Christmas,
There
everybody.
you go.
Merry
And baby's gonna like it.
Merry
Merry Christmas.
Ah,
I am super, super satisfied with my gift. The fact that I didn't ask for anything and you know exactly what to get me, you did good. Thank you. You like yours?
I love it.
And I'm going to you for when you give me some.
Thank you so much.
Mwah.
My shoes. I'm gonna wear my shoes today. Today. I like it. I like my gift. I like my gift. You like your gifts?
Yes.
You happy?
Yes.
Alright, you guys. So now that we finished unwrapping gifts,
Let's go to Avignon.
almost 45 minutes of unwrapping. Now we gotta go make breakfast and hit the road. So we'll see you guys in a bit. Thanks to everybody who sent the kids gift. We appreciate you guys. We love you guys. And to everybody who don't send us gift but send us wishes, we send you right back, and we appreciate and love all of you. Family, friends, everybody. We love you guys. Let me show you what's going on right now. Let me see if I can find Sarah. You guys see Sarah?
Where's my car?
Babe, you did good. Babe, you did good. Babe, you did good. You did good. You did good.
I was looking for something else.
I know you were looking for something else, but you still don't find out what you wanted. I realized that.
Yeah.
But that's okay. You did good. I like it. Especially the shoes. It's perfect. Even if it was the shoes alone I get, I'll be fine. Look at Sarah. Sarah. She hung on to her phone. You love Sarah Key too? You love your Johnny? You love your Patwa beer? You remember you're asking me when you're getting one? No, you get one. Sarah have the doll, you have the beer. Look at Sarah. 2, 1, 2. She counting. All right, you guys, it's time to go clean up all this. All right, Tyler, we're gonna pack away these things. When we come back from Avignon, we can set up this machine and let's get to work. Okay. Like your jacket?
Yes, so neat.
And the shoes. I wanted to try the shoes to see if it fits.
I will try it after. That will match the jacket.
Oh yeah, oh yeah. How did you have to? How did I do? Watch the dance, watch the dance. Okay, babe. Wait. You guys know Tyler obsessed with ninja. Turn around. And he's been wanting a ninja headband. So now he get one. My mom said him one. And he got the ninja costume. He got everything he asked for this Christmas, right? Because you've been a good kid. Alright, I want to try my shoes. You guys, I have to show you guys my shoes up close. Oh my God. You guys know I'm obsessed with sneakers. Look at this. Look at this beauty. You did good, husband. I'm a good outfit. You guys, we are taking a quick stop for
Feeding
I
belly.
can't see.
Feeding my belly.
Avignon.
Liar. We're taking a quick lunch stop because we're hungry. Tyler is hungry. We did about an hour already. An hour more, hour and a half. So we have roughly another hour and a half to go, but
less than an hour.
we gotta stop to me say I'm going to take this boy's sword, this ninja. Listen, him wear ninja costume, you know, he's not taking it off, and he have his sword sticking everybody.
And he's doing good. I mean,
His motion sickness, I must say, thanks to Mama. Mama sent us the bracelet and tablets for him.
This is straight highway. I mean, from home to here is like 10 minutes from home to the highway, 10 minutes, and then straight highway. So it's just straight, no.
Oh, yes.
And the road have been so nice for now. So I just go to the speed limit and
Let's
Nothing
see
else to do.
after he eat how he'll manage, but I
Yeah.
think he's gonna fall asleep after because he should be pretty tired. Princess is awake. Princess took her nap and she's awake and she's hungry right now. What you say, Tyler?
Get my food.
We're going around to get it now. Look, we're in the
Why
drive-through.
you're not moving?
Because there's other cars in front of us, so you have to be
Which other
patient.
cars?
Look,
You say that.
you have to be patient, okay?
But there's only one car.
Yes, but there are cars in
No,
front
I
of
see
this
one,
car that
two,
you
three
can't see.
car already.
No, there's only one
Tyler,
car.
Ty,
There's more than one
listen
car.
to Papa, please.
I already see 3 cars in front of us and it's the corner. There's about 10 cars in front of us.
Okay?
We just have
Be
to
patient, right?
move. We order, now we have to pay, and after we pay,
So of course,
we
because
get
of the
our food.
pandemic, we can't go in. So it's straight drive through, pick up the food, and then we're gonna have to go park somewhere. It's gonna be a struggle for me to feed Sarah, but I have to figure it out. I'll have to take these bags out of my hand, and we have to find space in the parking lot. Oh, the thing there to the parking lot too. They lock up the parking lot so you can't park.
Maybe we should go back to the pharmacy.
Yeah, maybe, but we'll find somewhere to park. We'll find somewhere to park and but we can park here. No, even though it's
No, probably staff member.
maybe. Anyway, you guys, so we are about to pick up our food and then go find somewhere to park and feed the kids and eat because it's almost 1 o'clock and it's 1 hour after Sarah original lunchtime, but she'll be alright. We just need to find somewhere and then we're gonna feed her. You guys, we have arrived at Grandma, my mother-in-law, and we've been here all afternoon just chit-chatting with everybody. Yes, baby? No, still do. You're a trickster. You never stop playing, do you? And I just remember that I didn't carry any inside jacket for Sarah. And mommy just said, hold on, I got you, girl. Our only granddaughter. She's still making clothes for her. Isn't she cute? A whole outfit. That kind. She's so cute. And Tyler is here with his other cousin. She has 3 grandkids. Well, 4, but 3 is here at the moment. The other one is baby. So we're just here. Tyler is enjoying having his cousin here. Let me show you guys. Mama is in the kitchen about to make dinner for the fam bam. You guys will see her in a bit. Can't catch her right now. The grandmother just turned something on and it changes. It changes. The projects on the wall and wow! Oh, look! Look! C'est quoi? Oui.
De quoi?
Wow!
Ah non, c'est
I